This is a JobCost.com video tutorial on how to enter a new or edit an existing bank account. Before entering a new bank account, the GL account must exist in the GL account list. If not, refer to the JobCost.com video tutorial on how to enter a new general ledger account. In the main cabinet, go to Cash Management, click on Bank Account List. To create a new bank account, select the blue Add button. To edit an existing bank account, click on the bank account name ID from the bank account list. Notice the multicolor buttons along the top. Blue Add is to create a new bank account. Purple Copy is to copy an existing bank account's information to a new bank account. Green Save is to save the information just entered. Green Save and Add is to save the new information just entered, close the current bank account tab, and open a new bank account tab. Yellow Undo lets you undo any recently entered information or changes prior to saving. Orange Delete deletes the bank account record you are on. Blue Customize Form allows administrator to relabel any field on the screen. Blue Customize Tabs allows administrator to add, change, or reorder page tabs across the top of the screen. Red Save and Close saves all information entered and closes the current bank account tab. Red Close closes the current bank account tab. When entering or editing the bank account information, be sure to fill out anything with a red asterisk or the bank account will not save. All other fields can be utilized on a per account basis. Choose the account from the drop-down. Enter the bank account number. Bank account name is the type of bank account, example, checking, or savings. Enter your bank's name, address, and contact information. Enter your bank account routing number. The following fields can be used when creating a NACHA file or ACH payment per your bank's requirements. Account open date is the date in which the bank account was opened. Last check number keeps track of the last check number issued. Last direct deposit number keeps track of the last direct deposit number issued in payroll. Last balance date is the last month that this bank account was reconciled through. Last balance amount, this is the ending balance from the bank statement for the last period for which this account was reconciled. Rec target amount is your ending balance amount for your current bank rec based on your bank statement for the month being reconciled. There are additional user fields that include text, logical, date, and number fields, along with a note section. The system administrator can customize these user field labels to be used to store additional information about the bank account. Click Save when done entering new bank account information. Click Save and Add if entering multiple new bank accounts. Click Save and Close if completely done entering or editing bank account information, and it will close the current bank account tab.